there's no budget. This is something somebody might say to you, or you might be looking at the figures going, there's just no budget. And this is really, really important. It's important for lots of things. But when you're CEO or a senior leader, remember, you personally need support. You need the right people around you. So whether it's getting the right accountant, the right coach, the right consultants, and so on, it's really tempting not to get the right people in because you think there's no budget. But it's more important to think about the consequences of not getting those right people in there. One hard mistake I learned when I was CEO was I thought I had to do everything on a shoestring budget, when what I should have done was add some of the right people and remove some people who weren't helping me at the time. And I didn't do that. It took me a while to figure that out, to my own detriment. But trust me, I've learned a hard lesson, and I'm sharing this with you because it's pretty critical. This no budget piece it's a fallacy. You think there's no budget, but truthfully, it will cost you more not to have the right people around you. So go ahead, insist as part of your package and your senior leader to get what you need, whether it's advertising, whether it's accountant, whether it's a consultant or coach, whatever it is that you need, ask for it and insist upon it. Because if you don't have the support, well, then what's the point? So I'm really firm on this one. No budget does not mean no budget. It means that your priorities are not their priorities, and that is a red flag right from the start.